Hi dears, how are you? Are you happy today? Okay. കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ആരുടെ കഥയാണ് നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചത്? Yes, Amy's story. Did you like the story of Amy? Yes, very good. Dears, how many friends Amy have? Can you say? Yes, 2. Who are they? Very good. A fat cat and a thin rat. Okay. എല്ലാവർക്കും പൂച്ചയെ ഇഷ്ടമല്ലേ? Me too. എനിക്കും പൂച്ചയെ ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. Cat is a cute animal. Cat is a cute animal. Do you like stories? Yes. എന്നാൽ നമുക്ക് കാറ്റിൻ്റെ ഒരു കഥ കേട്ടാലോ? Teacher will tell you a story of cat. Once there lived a cat, a beautiful cat. It is a mother cat. What is its color, do you know? Can you say? Anandu endha paranje? White? No. Black? No. A grey cat. A grey cat. This cat has babies. How many babies do you know? 1? No. 2? No. 4? Never. The cat has 3 babies. The cat has 3 babies. Do you know their colors? Can you say? White. Yes. Next one. Black. Yes, correct. Then the third one. Brown. Okay, very good. ക്യാറ്റിൻ്റെ യങ് വൺസിനെ എന്താ വിളിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞ പാഠത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചില്ലേ? Can you say? Yes, kitten. A white kitten, black kitten and brown kitten. A white kitten, black kitten and brown kitten. Very good. Dear friends, look at the picture. Who are there? Our mother cat and her kittens are there. What is the mother cat doing? Mother cat is sleeping. Our 3 kittens are looking to someone. Can you say? Mother cat neano? No. Then who? Look at the picture. Yes, a small rat. A small rat. What is this color? Yes, a grey rat. Look, the rat is on the drum. Will it jump into the drum? The black kitten asked. If it jumps, what will we do? The white kitten asked. What is inside the drum? The brown kitten asked. Who knows? Said the black kitten. Shall we jump into the drum? Asked the kittens together. എന്താ മനസ്സിലായത്? പറയാമോ? Can you say? മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? Let's read once again. Look, the rat is on the drum. Will it jump into the drum? The black kitten asked. If it jumps, what will we do? The white kitten asked. What is inside the drum? The brown kitten asked. Who knows? Said the black kitten. Shall we jump into the drum? Asked the kittens together. Okay, take your notebook and write 3 kittens in your notebook. 3 kittens. 3 kittens. 3 kittens എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്? A grey rat. എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്? A grey rat. Write in your notebook. Next, white kitten. White kitten. Write in your notebook. What did the white kitten says? What? Come, let's catch it. Come, let's catch it. Write in your notebook. Come, let's catch it. Then, who said next? Yes, our black kitten. Who? Our black kitten. What did the black kitten say? What? Shh. Mom is sleeping. Don't make noise. Mom is sleeping. Don't make noise. Write in your notebook. Shh. Mom is sleeping. Don't make noise. Then, next, brown kitten. Brown kitten. Write in your notebook. Brown kitten. What did the brown kitten say? What? What did the brown kitten say? Yes, come, let's follow it. Come, let's follow it. Write in your notebook. Come, let's follow it. Dears, 3 kittens ആരെ ഫോളോ ചെയ്യാമെന്നാ പറഞ്ഞത്? Yes, a grey rat. A grey rat. Can you draw the picture of rat? Yes, okay. Draw the picture of a rat, color it and send it to your teacher. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so much.